Ayan na po. Meron na raw warrant of arrest mga kabida na inilabas po itong International Criminal Court. Ano po? Laban po kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ano po? Itong warrant of arrest ay inilabas daw kahapon, Saturday, March 8, 2025. Ano po mga kabida? Dito sa post po ng Rappler, 7 hours ago po ito mga kabida, no? Ang title po ng kanilang balita, ICC arrest warrant for Duterte out, naka-question mark po, parang hindi ho sila sigurado kung ito po ba ay totoo, na naglabas talaga ng warrant of arrest ito pong International Criminal Court, po. Babasahin po natin mga kabida ito hong kanilang balita, An arrest warrant has been issued by International Criminal Court against former President and Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte, informed sources told Rappler. The warrant was said to have been issued Saturday morning, March 8, Philippine time, but this could not yet be independently verified. So hindi pa po klaro, The ICC has been made no official announcement and may not necessarily issue one. Alright. So, source lang po ng Rappler yung kanilang pinagbatayan po mga kabida na meron pong warrant of arrest po itong si Digong, laban po mula mismo sa International Criminal Court. Eto, patuloy po tayo mga kabida sa kanilang balita, 2 weeks ago, there had been word that a warrant was forthcoming and that the Philippine National Police had to put in place an arrest plan. The information had apparently been leaked to the Duterte camp. Whether deliberately or not is unclear. Okay, ito puro na lang haka-haka po ito, itong Rappler. Basta makapag-publish lang po ng ganitong balita, po mga kabida. Another source had said action would take place at Camp Crame and that the PNP would be expected to play a major role. One indication that arrest warrant was coming, according to a source who was privy to the information, was what appeared to be a consolidation of witnesses at The Hague. The source refused to elaborate. Sige lang itong source. Wala naman palang malinaw na batayan mga kabida. Okay? Hindi kaya ito fake news? Okay? Ito tanong lang po, Ito pa po. A second source citing reports on the ground said Duterte departed Davao for Manila at past 9 p.m. on Thursday, March 6 via Philippine Airline Flight PR2829, which arrived before 11 p.m. at Terminal 2 of the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Early morning Friday, March 7, Duterte and his entourage headed for Terminal 3 and boarded a CX-912 flight to Hong Kong. So pumunta pala ng Hong Kong itong si Digong. Totoo kaya ito mga kabida o isa na naman po itong haka-haka na hindi ho malinaw yung source? Ito pa po. A report by The Standard in Hong Kong on March 8 confirmed Duterte's arrival in what is known as a special administrative region of China. The Standard said that Duterte was spotted in Causeway Bay Saturday afternoon at the Lee Theater Plaza, in particular accompanied by 10 people including bodyguards. He was seen using an escalator leading to the area's restaurant, the Standard reported. Member of Duterte's entourage include former First Lady Hanilet Avacenia, former Executive Secretary Salvador Medjaldea, former National Intelligence Coordinating Agency Director General Alex Paul Monteagudo, former PNP Intelligence Director Nelson Kinsay, and former Davao Region Police Chief Brigadier General Fillmore Escobal. Kinsay and Escobal were accompanied by their wives, PNP ground sources said. Ayan, grabe detailed talaga. Alam nila kung sino yung mga kasama daw ni Digong, mga kabida, no? Ito pa po, Salvador Panelo, former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel, was cited in a report as saying that Duterte flew to Hong Kong that thanked overseas Filipino workers on Saturday, March 9, for their report and not for anything else. Previously, government official led by Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin said that if the ICC moves and coerces the warrant through the International Criminal Police Organization or Interpol, and the Interpol makes the request to us for the arrest or delivery of the custody of a person subject to ICC jurisdiction, we will respond favorably or positively to the Interpol request. Ayon. So, dito ho nag-ugat, mga kabida, dito ho sa sinabi po ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, ano? Last month ata ito, ano po, na kapag mag-request itong Interpol sa kanila, wala ho silang pwedeng gawin po dito kundi sumunod, ano po, na? So, yun po mga kabida, hindi pa natin alam kung totoo po ba itong report po ng Rappler, ano? Baka ho may mga tao na naman pong nagpakalat po ng ganitong balita, ano po? Okay? Kagaya po nung una, na palabas na raw yung warrant of arrest, pero wala pong nangyari, ano po mga kabida? Ito, source po ng Rappler, okay, na yung warrant of arrest daw ay lumabas kahapon po, Sabado, no? March 8 po mga kabida, at hindi pa po natin batid kung ito po ba ay idedirekta doon ho sa Interpol, ano po, kung totoo po ito, ano? Okay, tsaka pangalawa, malinaw naman po doon sa pahayag po ng dating Pangulo na nanindigan po siya na wala talagang jurisdiction po itong ICC, ano po, no? At isa pa po, kung maalala po ninyo mga kabida, naglabas po ng sanction po itong Trump administration laban po sa ICC, ano? At sinabi po ni Trump na itong sanction na ito ay dahil doon sa ginawa po ng ICC, no? Na naglabas po ng warrant of arrest against doon po sa Prime Minister po ng Israel po mga kabida na si Benjamin Netanyahu, ano po? Batid po natin doon sa kanyang executive order na ayaw po niyang gipitin ng ICC ito pong mga kaalyado po ng Estados Unidos, ano? Kabilang na po dito mga kabida, ito pong si Netanyahu at iba pang mga kaalyadong bansa, ano po? Now, hindi natin alam kung ito po ba ay ito bang si Digong kabilang po ba dito sa sinasabi po ni Trump na kaalyado po ng Estados Unidos, ano po, no? Titingnan na lang po natin mga kabida kung anong magiging resulta ho dito, ano po. Kung totoo po itong warrant of arrest and then nandyan po sa Hong Kong si Digong, kampante naman po itong mga supporters dito pag nasa Hong Kong kasi alam naman po natin yung Hong Kong po is part of administrative region po ng China mga kabida. And China is very friendly po kay Digong, ano? Hindi natin alam kung ano po yung magiging treatment po ng China ho dito sa dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte mga kabida, ano pa, no? So, abangan na lang po natin ito, no? Kung totoo po itong balita na ito pong si Digong ay aarestuhin na po dahil naglabas na po raw ng warrant of arrest mga kabida, ito pong International Criminal Court. So, mga kabida, para po sa inyo, ano pong tingin po ninyo dito ho sa balitang ito? Totoo po ba ito? You can comment down. At sa mga hindi pa po subscriber sa akin channel, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, click all para updated po kayo sa aking mga uploads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.